I'm Melvin Yates, the broker with Exit Flagship Realty. We're back at another one of our homes. We are at 4311 23rd Place in Temple Hills, Maryland, 20748, semi-detached home. We've got 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, 3 finished levels, over 1,800 square feet of living space, 1,260 on the main floor and the upstairs, plus another 600 on the basement. This is a very good opportunity to get into a home very close to the Beltway, very close to the DC line, as you know of. We've got a nice fenced yard, off-street parking. Let's go inside and take a look at it. As we come into the main level of the home, we've got wall-to-wall carpet. Like I said, this home's been lived in, loved for years. So most likely the next owner will want to add their own TLC to it. But as you can see, this home has lots of love. You can tell from the artwork, from the figurines, from the photos. But we've got our powder room here, hall room, powder room, main living area. We'll actually go upstairs first and go to the bedroom area. We've got our full bathroom right here. All right, now let's go on back and check out the kitchen, the dining room, and then we'll head on down to the basement. Come on around. Main floor powder room right here. Dining room. And then leads us right into the kitchen. You can actually head from the kitchen, you can actually head right out the back. Like I said, fenced in yard, nice level yard. All right, let's go and check out the basement now. On this side of the basement, the family room style, entertaining area. Obviously you can see it was a Redskins, big Redskins house. Name change coming soon. I'm a Redskins fan, so I'll be rooting for the new team name as well. But this was the entertaining area, and then on this side, it's finished, but more so used for storage, shoe storage. Hundreds of pairs of shoes right in here. But the furnace, hot water heater are relatively new, as are the stackable washer and dryer, which are in the back. All right, and then let's go in and back up to the main floor. All right, fenced in yard, off-street parking, level backyard, 5 minutes to the metro, 5 minutes to the DC line, very close to the Beltway, 5 minutes from 495. Very nice home. Hopefully you like it, and I'll talk to you soon.